Happy to see you here on my channel Math Brain, and maybe this is the trickiest challenge you've ever seen. 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. The easiest challenge you've ever seen. Maybe a lot of students can solve this easily, but in the same way a lot of students make this mistake. So if you could do that without a calculator, put those calculators away and write your option down into the comment section. It will be really interesting to read about it. So right now let's solve this challenge, and of course in 1 minute we will check our answers. So this is our first interpretation. Take a look closely. We have 1 minus 1 divided by 1 and plus 1. So take a look closely. First part of students solve this question like that. They say, okay, right here we have subtraction, right here we have addition. So it looks like right here we have 0. So 0 divided by 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So we have our answer is 0. We have this option A. So first part of students solve this question like that. Another interpretation looks like that. So we have our challenge 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Another part of students solve this question like that. So from left to right in a strict order. So let's solve this question randomly. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So we have 0 divided by 1 and plus 1. Okay, right here division on the left hand side. So 0 divided by 1 equal to 1. 0 equal to 0 and 0 plus 1 equal to 1. This is option B. Okay, here's our second interpretation, but here's maybe the main thing. What about order of operation? Because as you can see right here, we solve this question wherever we want. We solve this question absolutely randomly, and this is really big mistake in terms of math. Okay, so we should know what is the correct order to do this problem, because obviously whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. And for this question, for example, let's look at this PIMDMC order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. So with this third interpretation, let's solve this question according to this order of operation. So divided by 1 and plus 1. Okay, so here's our challenge, and let's solve it according to PIMDMC. PIMDMC works from the top to the bottom. So first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses, then we should evaluate exponent, then multiplication, division group, and addition and subtraction in the end. In conclusion, addition and subtraction. So right now let's scan what elements do we have. First step, parentheses. I don't see any parentheses, so we just skip this part. We don't have any parentheses. What about exponents? I don't see any exponents. We just skip this part. We don't have any powers right here. We don't have any squares, cubes. We have a regular expression without any exponents. Yeah, so let's go to the next step, multiplication, division group. I don't see any multiplication sign. Yeah, we just skip this part. What about division sign? I see one division sign right here in the middle. So we find our first step to divide this 1 divided by 1. Okay, so we have 1 minus 1 divided by 1 equal to 1 and plus 1. Basic subtraction, basic addition. So we have also addition, also subtraction. So as you can see, this is our first step to divide. Second step to subtract, because this is subtraction is the first sign from left to right, and the third step addition. Moreover, if you have this subtraction and addition sign, you don't need your order of operation. Okay, you just go instantly with subtraction addition from left to right, and doesn't matter. We have the same priority. So with the subtraction addition we can easily do the step. So 1 minus 1 0 and 0 plus 1 equal to 1. This is option B. So as you can see, one really important moment in this second interpretation, we have option B. In the third interpretation we have option B also. And here's maybe the main question: what is the correct answer and a correct solution to this challenge? Let's look at this first interpretation. First of all, this first interpretation is really bad because we subtract at first, then we jump from left to right, we add right here, and in the last step we divide. This is a very bad mistake in terms of math. You should know that subtraction is after division all the time, and addition is after division all the time. So addition and subtraction is after division. So firstly we should divide, then subtract or add. With parentheses, this is a correct solution, because then we should solve this question inside parentheses. Then subtraction will have the higher priority than division, so this is a grade 0 first step. And right here the same step, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, which has the higher priority than division. And the last step is division. So in this case, addition and subtraction will have the higher priority because this math operation is inside parentheses, and then correct answer is 0. In our case 0 is wrong because we don't have parentheses, so we just skip this part, we reject this 0. What about second solution? Also, this is second solution. This is very bad because we subtract at first, then we divide, then we add. This is really big mistake. With parentheses, this is a great solution because then we should evaluate expression inside parentheses at first, which has the highest priority, and then right here 0, division and addition, which is really great. So with parentheses, correct answer is 1 and option B. Let's look at this third interpretation. This is a correct solution and a correct answer. Right here we have a correct answer, but a wrong solution. And right here we have also a correct solution and a correct answer. So division first, then a subtraction addition in a strict order from left to right. And our B is a correct answer. So right here option C is a correct. Option B, sorry, yeah, we have our answer. This is option B, which is a correct solution to our challenge, and this is a correct solution and a correct order. It happens sometimes that right here you have a correct answer, but it's not often, so just learn about PMDMC order of operation. So I hope you understand this explanation. I hope you learned something new, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, so I'm really grateful if you visit my channel. I have a lot of videos with basic math, interesting brain test, IQ questions. So with that being said, see you in the next videos and have a great day.